Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a smooth, clean spot. This matters because dust, oil, or texture prevents adhesion. Once chosen, bend the pad slightly and peel one note so the adhesive lifts cleanly. This prevents curling. Hold the note by its non-adhesive edges and position the top edge where you want it to sit. Make sure to align visually. Small misplacement is hard to correct after contact. This first step sets the angle and contact area for us. Once the adhesive strip touches the surface, lower the rest of the note slowly so it lays flat. This prevents trapped air. Press firmly in the center and push outward toward the edges for about 3 to 5 seconds. This spreads the adhesive evenly. Make sure to smooth each corner because edges lift faster than centers. If you need the note to stay longer, press again along the entire adhesive strip. These motions control contact area and adhesion strength. To finish, inspect all 4 edges and press any that look loose. Adhesive needs full contact to hold. Remember, sticky notes are for light reminders. Avoid weight or folding that peels them off. If the note fails to stick, don't try to salvage a gummy, dirty adhesive. Instead, remove it, clean the surface, and start again with a fresh note. This one key troubleshooting move, clean and replace, fixes almost every adhesion problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.